So I started studying marketing for like 3-4 years. Um, and I fell in love with it to the point where that's all I was doing was you should see the marketing books I got and resources on YouTube, buying courses, like all of it, I was obsessed with marketing. And then I saw Ryan Leslie's interview where he's talking about, text marketing and stuff like that. And it just rung my doorbell up here like, yo, that's it. That's where it is. Because even if people don't check their email, people are always on their phone.
Right.
When does a person not have their phone with them?
Right.
So you having their phone number, you can reach that person anytime, anywhere. Like, that is a game changer. And that's when I realized that, when you build your fan base, you need more than just, oh, I got, 15,000 followers on Instagram. So what? How many phone numbers you got?
Right.
Do you know the name? Do you know the email? Like, what? That's a real fan base to me.